A Mahoney County murder suspect getting another lawyer to help prepare his case. But as First News reporter Jarrell tells us, the change will mean the defendant has to sit in jail a while longer before he can go on trial.
Although he's been sitting in jail for more than a year, murder suspect James Jarrell says he's not ready to go to trial yet.
I'm just not comfortable with nothing.
Jarrell is charged with aggravated murder in the stabbing death of his stepmother Tina back in July of last year. It happened inside the victim's home. Hours later, the suspect was caught by police in Pittsburgh, still driving the dead woman's stolen car. At the time, Jarrell's father told me his son had had a long history of drugs and violence. In court this morning, the defendant told Judge Lou D'Appolito he's had problems obtaining copies of evidence in the case from his court-appointed lawyers.
I've repeatedly had issues that I don't feel I should have to keep addressing and getting no answers and no response to.
At one point, Jarrell says he'd rather act as his own lawyer than stay with a team he doesn't want. The judge says there are no guarantees a new attorney would mean a different result.
Where some lawyer says this is not in your best interest, don't do it, and now we have this conflict again.
After meeting briefly with both sides, the judge agreed to remove attorney Mark Lavelle from the case and appoint another to replace him, but told Jarrell he needs to work with his defense team.
I've noticed throughout this process that there's been this lack of cooperation on your part.
The judge then warned the defendant he won't be getting anyone else if this doesn't work out.
I'm not going to be hiring any other counsel. That's it. You either try the case by yourself or with them.
For now, the trial has been postponed. If he's ultimately convicted, Jarrell faces life in prison without parole. In Youngstown, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.